In this video, I'll show you how to remove Snapchat won't upload media problem. First things first, you can just try seeing if your internet is fast enough in order to administer or use Snapchat. So for this one, let's go to fast.com and let's see if our internet is fast enough. So as you can see, my internet is just average. However, if you want a higher speed internet, just head over and switch on that. If that is not a problem, what you can do in that case is you can head over and make sure to uninstall what Snapchat onto your device. Since I'm using Snapchat Web, I can head over and clear the cache from this one. So for example, just head over and click on the three dots, click on the settings that you can see right here. Now from in there, you can search in here for cache. Here's the browsing data. Just head over and click on this delete data option. If you're on your phone, you can uninstall and reinstall Snapchat because that may be able to solve the problem. So that's how you remove Snapchat won't upload media problem. Hope we help.